We've had a busy first morning here at the Manufacturing Expo, talking to lots of potential customers and lots of excitement around what we're offering in this space.
Industria is led by engineers, people that have worked in plants, know plants, understand your problems.
Well, what's different about RS Industria is that we are packaging IoT into modules, and the customers are able to understand exactly what they're going to get, how long it will take and how much it will cost.
We've got scale and capabilities that a lot of other businesses don't have.
Our main aim and objective is to ensure that our customers are getting maximum value out of the product, and we work very closely with different areas of the business to ensure that your feedback is listened to, and any feedback that you have we will incorporate into the platform.
We can help our customers to understand the value of the data they've got trapped away.
Start simple.
Start simple, grow smart.